How to add a sound effect in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and load the project you are working on. Make sure the timeline is visible and active so you can easily place your sound effect. Next, go to the media pool and import the sound effect you want to use. You can browse your files and bring in any sound effect that suits your project. Once imported, you will see it appear in the media pool section. Now, drag the sound effect from the media pool down into an empty audio track on the timeline. Position it exactly where you want the sound to be heard. You can trim the sound effect by selecting it and using the cut tool to shorten or adjust its duration. After placing the sound effect, select it and use the volume control to fine-tune the audio level on the inspector panel. Lower it for background sounds or increase it for emphasis depending on the style you want. Once everything is placed, use the play button to preview and make sure the sound effect blends well with the rest of your audio. If needed, adjust its timing or volume again for the best result. And that's it. Now you know how to add a sound effect in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.